Welcome to another Stelbot adventure.
Today we'll be hiking a part of the Appalachian Trail in Pennsylvania called Big Oven Knob Overlook.
Come along, enjoy. Hi, Teddy. He stopped shivering. Teddy's cold.
So not only are we hiking to the top of some sort of mountain or giant hill, I've also got an additional 15 pounds on my back.
Teddy! Little Yorkie. 7 pounds of that is the Yorkie. The other 7-8 pounds is the backpack holding it. And his accoutrement.
Meanwhile, Bean, keep going.
Here we are hiking on the Appalachian Trail. We are going to the knob and no, we will not fail.
He's available for birthdays, bar mitzvahs, and weddings. It was about 52 degrees when we left the car. So we're wearing our rain jackets because it's also supposed to rain later on today. And you can feel the dampness in the air. But it's always good to wear layers when you're hiking. Fun fact about the Appalachian Trail, it runs from Georgia to Maine. And if you wanted to do the entire thing at one point, in one session, I guess you could say, you'd have to start in like April in Georgia, and you wouldn't finish until October or the end of November in Maine. And walking 20 to 30 miles a day, depending on the terrain, sometimes less, sometimes more. Is he gonna make it? Is he gonna make it? Good job! Look at this terrain. This is where hiking sticks come in handy. Here's our expert rock climber. Look at him go! We didn't realize that when we adopted a Chihuahua, he was part mountain goat. Look at him go! I'm having a tough time with these rocks, and he's just flying over them.
Guess having 4 legs is a bonus.
Slow and steady. Taking it easy. Anybody needs some rocks for a retaining wall? I'm also trying to take the easiest route possible because Teddy gets bumpy sickness. If you do too many bumps, he will throw up. We're trying to avoid that. So we're just taking it easy. Still got a long ways to go. Gotta give thanks to the people who are volunteers who maintain these trails on the Appalachian Trail. So thank you for your dedication and your time so that people like us can enjoy. Teddy is not a fan of hiking. He'd much rather be sleeping right now. If I didn't have Teddy on my back right now, I'd be climbing over these rocks, no problem. But the sacrifices you make so that your 13-year-old Yorkie can come along for the journey.
This is impressive. This is what hiking is about. We made it to the knob. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Linda. Tell me something I don't know. Comment below if you know what that's from. Check that out. The other side's nicer, but this is pretty cool too. Yeah. That's okay. Look at this. Look at this guy just flying through. He's doing fine. He doesn't see the forest through the trees. He's just going one rock at a time. He's being a champ. Having 4 legs and the lower center of gravity does seem to help. He seems to love going on these trails. Hi Ted, how are you back there? Oh, there you are. Good boy.
Are you guys the thru hikers?
No.
No, not us.
Thru hikers just kind of Chihuahua.
Oh.
Oh wow. Definitely not us. So we finished our hike to the knob. Half mile up, half mile back. So about a mile.
Normally I would want to do the entire trail someplace to make sure I'm not missing anything, you know, FOMO. But knowing that the Appalachian Trail is over 2,000 miles, I'm okay with just doing small segments at a time.
Hell yeah.
So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up or leave a comment below.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And we'll see you on the next adventure.